So how can you put the low power mode on the iPhone control center? Let's get started with that. So in fact, it is pretty simple. In the older versions of iOS, we used to do it through the settings app, but in the iOS 18, you don't even have to go there. You just swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center, and then hold down on the gap between the toggles, right? A lot of people might want to try, hold down on the icons directly, but just hold down somewhere in between until the apps or the toggles here get it to the edit mode. And at the bottom, you can see we have the add control button. So you need to click on this, and from the available toggles, just find the low power mode. So you might need to search for it using the search bar, or if you can find it easily, just try to locate it without the search. So once you do find it, just confirm and add it there to the control center. Naturally, we have more pages right now of the control center, so you can customize it as much as you like. You can bring it over to the main page so you can get access to it quicker, obviously, and organize it as much as you like. One more option is to resize it, because there is the ability to grab the little handle of the icon and drag it towards the right to like enlarge the whole thing. So a little button turns into a large widget, which might be useful if you try to enable and disable the low power mode a lot of times, and essentially you get a more, or like it's more comfortable to use it, right? Because the button is bigger, you can click on it, it's easier to see whether it's enabled or not. So perhaps this is something you might look into. But other than that, it's pretty simple. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Subscribe, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.